Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll begin a huge project for 2024. It will be 12 computer science projects you should add to your resume this year. The projects we speak about here will be tailored for different experience levels, which means a complete novice should be able to do them all. We'll also build each one, and if possible, we will release a product version. I have no idea what all 12 projects will be, but I am sure I will figure it out. There are 12 projects, one for each month of the year. Clearly, you'll need separate videos to cover each. This video, however, will provide an overview of the first project, which may be the most important one. So, the first project we'll be going over is a requirement of every CS student and programming pursuer. It is a personal website. I understand, web development may seem daunting. What are the web technologies if you aren't sure with them? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Django. You have to host your website. Luckily, there is a way for us to create a great website and host it for free. As we see here, our first project is a personal website. Let's do January project 1. January project 1, personal website. There's two requirements. If you do not have one, create a GitHub account. Ensure the name of your account is a name you're comfortable having as a website name. If you already have an account and you aren't comfortable with the name, that's completely fine. Create a new account and create it such that the name of your account is a name you're comfortable having as a website name. The website that we build will be simple, it'll be straightforward, and it'll be fully responsive, such as my one right here. Everything that you see, all the links, everything works. It is also capable of growing dynamically, so it shrinks and grows as needed. We scroll down. Hey, look, there's a picture of me and some other stuff. And we can keep on scrolling. And we have a really nice footer. And as I said, Control-Shift-I, the website is completely responsive. So let's choose Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. There we go. A completely responsive website that we will create. That should happen sometime next week, either on Wednesday or Saturday. Now for you, here is some take-home work. Either revise some web technologies or learn some basic web dev technologies. This will be HTML, CSS. JavaScript is necessary for you to learn, but if you want to go over it, that will be great. And if you want to, go over some Bootstrap. And that is all you will need to do. We will meet again next week to cover our first video, which will be on the first project. Bye.